Predictive maintenance is a team sport. If you had a quarterback and running back that did not get along, you're not going to be very effective on offense. If you had a linebacker and a nose tackle that didn't get along, you're not going to be very effective on defense. And so making sure that everyone's in sync on the same page when it comes to rolling out a predictive maintenance solution. Maintenance leads and planners, their job is to investigate, validate the findings, prioritize the work. They need to be in sync with the technicians who are going to be adopting the system, that are going to be actually doing the work. If those two folks are out of sync, you're not going to have a very successful pilot or trial, because one may think one thing when the other is thinking another. And then you add operations into that. Everyone should be involved in the success of the pilot. And when I say involved, it doesn't mean putting all the resources into it, but utilizing it to get the most advantage out of the solution. If you're already going to take the step into getting this, let's make sure everyone can utilize it to benefit them. And that's how a team becomes a well-oiled machine and be able to progress and, again, transform into one of those iconic organizations down the road. Does success mean the same thing to everyone? It may not be the same terms, but overall, everyone should have their own terms on what success means that should go to the broader picture of a successful pilot. And so looking at this as a team sport is very important.